Hello guys, my name is Sorin and today I'm gonna show you how to paint your wheels on a budget. These rims look pretty bad. We're gonna use all this stuff and more to make this happen, and you need to clear your schedule for a full day. Preparing the surface for painting is a very time-consuming process, but is very important if you want the paint to last longer. Start with 100 grit sandpaper. If the rims have deep scratches, you need to insist with the sandpaper to smooth that surface out. In some cases you can remove the old paint just with paint thinner. You should try that. If not, go back to sandpaper or use some power tools. To reach those tight corners, use a wire brush. When you finish this step or just got bored, wash the wheels. Now you need to mask the tire. You don't want paint on it. Use some paper tape and newspapers. If you're lazy, you can mask the tire just with a deck of cards, but I suggest you do it my way. Give the rims a last clean with paint thinner before start painting and use some protective gloves. Don't forget to mask the air valve as well. You should use a good quality mask, not like mine. I've hired some help to make this video. And now we start with a light coat of primer. Wait at least 10 minutes and spray a thicker coat of primer. Now wait 20 minutes to be sure the primer is completely dry and if there are still some scratches, you can use 1000 grit sandpaper with water to remove them. If the rims have hubcaps, paint them in the same color and of course start with primer. And now the first coat of paint. Yes, I know I should paint with linear moves from left to right, like this, but that works only on a flat surface. These type of rims have many angles and you need to spray all those tight corners. The most important thing is to constantly move the can when you're spraying. After 10 minutes, start spraying the second coat. And now the third and final coat of paint. When the paint is dry, apply the clear coat. You need to be pretty aggressive with this because unlike the primer and paint, the lacquer can is spraying a smaller quantity each time you spray. Wait a few hours before removing the paper. The clear coat is drying much slower than the paint and primer. Keep the wheels off the car for another 2 days. The paint must be completely dry or you'll ruin it.